Hi, today I'm for the Nokia G22 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first launch the Gmail application, then tap on the right upper corner. To log out from Gmail application in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click to remove. Then confirm your action by tap to remove account button, and that's it. We're in Google account settings. We just successfully logged out from Gmail account, so let's go back to the application. Let's refresh it and we can see that we just successfully logged out also from the Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.